Okay, now we want to duplicate this so what happens in the spaceship happens in the B with regards to the ball. So I'm going to click on this first one and I'm going to drag it into B. And there it is. Just bring it down. I'm going to move everything up a little bit. Put it there. We've got the arrow keys here down the bottom to make it larger or bigger. I'm just going to make it smaller so it fits. There we go. And then I'm going to go back to spaceship, drag it in, and there it is again, right at the top. Drop it here. Now what I want to do is change the pointing direction of the ball to up. So let's test that, see if I've that right. Pressing the green flag. There we are, it's going in the up direction. And it's moving at 90 degrees. Somewhere in the code here I have that. I need to look to find out, but that's fine. So it's at least it's moving around, as you can see, and it's heading out. So looking at my code, I've noticed that I have turn 15 degrees in here for no reason, which is why when you look at, when I press the green flag, it moves at 15 degrees rather than going straight. So you may notice things like this, and I didn't realize until now, but the beauty of Scratch is that it's very visual, so it's really nice. So here I'm simply going to move this section out, move that out of the way, put this back in, and delete turn 15 degrees. And now, still going to do that because I need to press the green flag. When I press the green flag, it's going up straight. And the S and the A are working, and it's moving. Whichever way I press shoot for the space bar, it's moving. So we've got a good step there. That was bugging me, but I figured it out. And so if you have issues like that, then don't worry. This is the beauty of Scratch. So let's continue.